Well, dear students, see the heading. In this video, I will explain actually how de Broglie wave explains second postulate of Bohr theory. You know, second postulate of Bohr theory is that the electron can revolve in that one orbit in which its angular momentum is integral multiple of 2 pi. Bohr second postulate of atomic theory of his atomic theory says that electron can revolve in that orbit in which its angular momentum is integral multiple of h upon 2 pi, that is mvn is angular momentum equal to nh upon 2 pi. So he told this assumption, he made this assumption. Why did he make this assumption? No logic was present at that time. And it was given by Newton in 1911. Davison Germer proved de Broglie wave. So in 1927 was given the concept of de Broglie wave, and after 10 years of the Bohr theory, de Broglie suggested a solution or a logic of this second postulate. Actually, second postulate make the orbits quantized. There are certain well-defined orbits in which electron can revolve. Quantized means discrete number of orbits are there, and they are well defined. So electron here n equal to 1, 2, 3. So orbits for each atom, for any atom, is this. So how de Broglie suggested? De Broglie proved that every moving object has wave character. So according to de Broglie, an electron in an orbit behaves like a wave in a bound medium. Where the orbit is bound medium here. We know the wave produced in a bound medium are called stationary wave, stationary or standing wave. Standing wave, the stationary wave produced in a string can exist if their wavelength are in some multiple form of the multiple form of length of string. If other waves are produced by their superposition, they interfere and they are finished themselves, they cancel each other. तो स्ट्रिंग में जो होता है ना लैम्डा, एक्चुअली देयर इज इक्वेशन के L equal to n lambda by 2 like that is there, where n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 in string, L is equal to n lambda by 2. Similarly, in a string, L is the length of string, lambda wavelength, n is number 1, 2, 3. If electron is moving in an orbit of radius Rn, figure shows the electron behave like form standing wave. So so the wave associated with an electron in an orbit behaves like a stationary wave. The stationary wave is that one which formed by superposition two waves traveling opposite direction and does not travel in any direction. That is called standing wave. If you want to make it clear, read class 11 topic of stationary wave from the books. Therefore, if Rn is the radius of orbit, then the length of circumference that is 2 pi Rn, should be integral multiple of h upon 2 pi. Integral multiple of lambda, wavelength lambda. So we can write here, and hence 2 pi Rn equal to n lambda. 2 pi Rn total length equal to n lambda, but from de Broglie theory, lambda is equal to h upon p, h Planck constant, p momentum h upon mvn. Vn is the velocity of electron in orbit, where you can write Vn is the velocity of electron, Vn velocity of electron in nth orbit, and therefore 2 pi Rn equal to n h upon mvn, or by cross multiplication mvn Rn equal to n h upon 2 pi. This way, second postulate of Bohr theory could be explained with the help of de Broglie concept. When Bohr gave this theory, the idea of de Broglie wave was not there. He gave this postulate on the basis of some results or calculation, but no correct explanation was given why the orbits are quantized. I think you understand meaning of quantized. हमने electron can revolve n equal to 1, 2, 3 होगा, तो there are well defined orbits for every atom in which electron can revolve according to Bohr theory. I will come to next topic, this drawback of Bohr theory in the same video. I think you have got, once this was asked, and many questions had been asked in board exam related to de Broglie wavelength and orbit of electron. Many questions are asked. Now I come to limitations of Bohr theory. You can read from the book also, limitations of Bohr atomic model. Number 1, Bohr atomic model could explain some facts of spectrum of H atom or hydrogen-like atom. Which atom is hydrogen-like, which has only one electron, like He plus, Li plus 2, beryllium triply ionized. This theory failed to explain even the fine spectrum of H atom. What is the meaning of this thing? I have shown you the spectrum of H atom. I have so many lines and so many series are there. When the spectrum of H atom was viewed by high resolution microscope, then a line which appears one was found to be a group of lines. Why the group of lines is there? This theory could not explain, and that is why this theory is called Bohr theory of H atom, and that is why Bohr theory is called Bohr's theory of H atom. But it gave some path to understand the atom. Number 2. When electric field applied across the hydrogen, the spectral lines hydrogen, then a spectral line was broken. There was found to split into two lines. This is called Stark effect. This effect could not be explained. Could not be explained. Similarly, splitting of spectral lines under the effect of magnetic field. This is called Zeeman effect. Could not be explained. explained by Bohr theory. Spectrum of elements having more than one electron at all could not be explained. I told you this first time, second time, this third one, there is no scheme, there is no scheme for distribution of electrons in different orbits. If atom has more than one electron, so this way Bohr theory failed to explain the spectrum of or structure of atom having more than one electron. Even it could not explain the spectrum of helium. Why does so many properties vary? Like there is term ionization potential or ionization energy. The energy which is required to remove an electron from outermost orbit or outermost cell is called ionized energy. For hydrogen atom, ionized energy plus 13.6 electron volt. According to this theory, if we calculate the ionized energy of helium, that comes very much larger than the practical value. Practical value, the ionized energy of helium is less than that of hydrogen. But if we apply Bohr theory, that comes very large, nearly 30 electron volt, right? Practically it is, I think, 3 or 4 electron volt. So, but anyway, we have to learn this theory, so please learn this properly and please keep on reading the book also. Now I will be doing some numerical of this chapter for class 12 as well as for competitive exam in coming videos. Please watch the video carefully, like the video, subscribe the video if you have not, and ask your friend to subscribe my videos. Thank you.